What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about Zomedica. When I say Zomedica, I feel like I'm putting on an accent. I don't know, I think I'm just looking into that too much. But anyway, if you guys are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like if you found it helpful or even enjoyed the video. So today we're going to be talking about Zomedica, and I haven't actually brought this company onto the channel before. I want to show you my investment with this company at the moment, just to be transparent, to show you how much I've been putting into this company and what I've been doing and things. As you guys do like seeing how many shares I did end up buying and how it's doing. So I bought 296 shares, and my reasoning for this is, well, I'm going to get into the video and explain what the company is and what I actually did. But as you can see, I'm up 7.74%, and I've got a bit of a plan with this. I feel like we can be breaking above the $3 range for sure. I've even seen people and heard people say we could be breaking the $5 range. And that's what I want to get into this video. I want to share my thoughts and ideas and what I think is going to happen with this stock. Zomedica Corp operates as a development stage company. It creates products for companion animals by focusing on the unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. It plans to offer novel diagnostics and therapeutics that focuses on patient health and practice health. I'll tell you what, it's so off-putting when someone rings you and you're trying to read what it's on about. So they've got a Traforma product that's really helpful for veterinarians who want to test and see what's wrong with the cat/dog, etc. It means they don't have to go to off-site reference labs, as it's all in one place, it's in one product. It is also faster than the optical sensors at reference lab. It's the size of a shoebox, it's quite small, well, it is very small. However, this isn't out yet, and it will be out on the 31st of March, which is a huge catalyst which can drive this stock up even more. And I think that is where a lot of people are also seeing this stock got more room to go. They have a ZOM in the pipeline, which can detect cancers faster for these pets, and it is more affordable. And these are what are coming out in the pipeline in the future, 2022, 2023, I believe. They've also got a ZM020 that can test for a wide range of pathogens in a few minutes. So that's just a little brief introduction of what Zomedica does and what are they bringing out and the type of things they're working on. It's very clever what it's doing. I almost compare it to Bionanogenomics, but for pets, kind of. That's just like a summary of how I'm thinking. People are probably going to be thinking, no, it's not. Well, it isn't, but like, it's just got that vibe. Do you know what I mean? It's the Bionanogenomics for pets. that's just how I'm thinking it. It's pretty much just the stuff they're bringing out is very advanced and clever. Hence why people get very excited and hyped with this stock. And that's what we saw with Bionanogenomics. So, as I told you, I bought into Zomedica Corp. Well, ZOM, that's the ticker symbol. And the reasons for this is because they did a share offering that ended on the 11th of February. I think I did mention this in my Discord. I think so. Or I was talking about maybe buying into it. Anyway, if you haven't checked out my Discord, link in the description. And I saw that they were doing a share offering, and it was for $1.90. And I thought, this is an opportunity to buy into this company, as that's what I did with Bionanogenomics when they did 2 share offerings. I'm now up 120% because of it, and I just started holding it. So this is the same play I'm doing. I think this is a very good long-term hold company, but I did this more for a swing trade, as I have got quite a few different companies I've bought into in my long-term plays. So this is just more of a swing trade for me. I think I might look into buying into this long-term, because this has got a massive future, this company. And yeah, I think I would possibly buy into this long-term as well at some point. So as you can see, this is the graph on screen right now, and we're on the 2-hour chart. Let's bring it onto the 4-hour. So I'll put it on the 4-hour. As you can see, we've had a massive spike and a massive, well, we've grown quite a lot. Let's have a look at the percentage. It's had a gain of 216% since the bottom. It's not the bottom, but since a few weeks ago, really. It's gone up that much, and that's where everyone's focusing on this stock right now, because it's huge, it's explosive. It's giving a lot of people a lot of gains. And I have to admit, I caught onto this quite late, hence why I bought in at the stock offering price. If you also see, there's huge volume, I mean huge volume. As you can see, the green buying spikes, like, they're massive at the moment, and there is a lot of hype and volume in this stock. So if you guys haven't bought into this at the moment, be very, 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 very careful with this stock, because it is crazy at the moment. But there are good reasons for that, because of the catalyst I have mentioned on the 31st of that product coming out. So you could actually swing trade this. You could buy into it now. Obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my advice. Do your own research as well. But we do seem to be consolidating at this area. I've just drawn a blue line where the gap is. I was wondering, can we end up filling this gap? And it might do that. I'm not saying it will, but it might do that, as that would be a really good buying opportunity. Buying at that blue line, that is actually where the stock offering actually happened. So that blue line I drew there, where the gap is that we need to kind of fill really, but it might not, is just the $2 range. So that's just above that stock offering price, and I think that would be a really good buying opportunity. I don't know if we will go back to that. It's a possibility, but because of how much hype that is in this stock and the volume that is in this stock, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a massive gain next week. So put this on your watch list, have a look. If it does drop to that price, maybe consider loading up. But I think because we're consolidating at this area around the $250 to the $240 range, I can see this going up again and spiking up again. As you know, with Genomic, rise, consolidate, and a massive rise again. If we do look at the MACDs, as you can see, it does look like it could have some downside to it, but it seems to be holding up that trend line, that green trend line that I'm drawing. It seems to act like that support, way above the moving averages. But you do with these stocks, you do with these hype stocks, and I'm calling it a hype stock. It sounds like a good company. Obviously it hasn't generated revenue really. It's a startup. It's just, but I did want to put this on your radar. I wanted you guys to have this on your watch list, to keep an eye out, see what you think. But this is my little swing trade that I'm going to be doing, and I'm interested to see how it does. I will update you guys on the swing trade, so subscribe for that if you are new. And yeah, I'll keep you up to date how it goes. I do see this next week giving some decent returns, I think. If not, I reckon it will just stay at these prices. But like I said, if it does drop to the $2 range, maybe consider loading up. But I wouldn't. It's not a guarantee, because obviously nothing's guaranteed in the stock market. It could drop considerably, but I can see this being a good stock in the next year or two. Well, in the next few years, and in the short term, in the next month or two. So yeah, remember 31st is the next big catalyst with that Trueforma product. 31st of March. Make sure you remember that date. And yeah, hopefully we start seeing some more hype because of that catalyst that's coming up. Anyway, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, comment below what you think on this stock. Like I said, I do think we could see $5. I think we definitely could see the $3 range. It is just very interesting because everyone's got different price targets, and I have seen a lot of people say the $5 range. So also keep that in mind. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video.